Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Helen's. If you are new here, please like, share, subscribe, and also click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. Thank you. So today, as you can see from the title, I'll be giving us steps on how to become a midwife in the UK. As you would know from my previous video, I just relocated my family to the UK as a registered midwife, and I did everything from the comfort of my home. So if you want to see this series, I want you to click on the subscribe button, like this video, share this video with your friends, with your colleague, with your siblings, anyone you know that this video is going to be useful to. Please share to them. Okay, so welcome back. Right now, I want you to take a pen and a paper, because everything I'm going to be talking about today is going to be step by step. And please do not worry, after this video, subsequent videos are coming that are going to show you everything that you need to know, how this thing is done in process. You know, I just did this, and so I know the problems that a lot of us are facing, the challenges that most of us has faced, and the bumps and everything. So I'm going to be taking us through this step by step. So grab your pen, grab your paper, let's jump right into this video. And also, please, if you see me looking down, just know I have a book here, a note here, so I don't miss anything while giving this information. So I'll be looking down from time to time just to see what I have missed, and you know, things like that. All right, so the number one step is for you to get your license updated. If you know that your license has expired, your license is about to expire, or you could just graduated from school and you're about getting your license, please ensure that you have your license at hand, a valid license that is not expired. Have it at hand, because that is the proof that you are going to show to NMC that you are a registered midwife. So if your license is expired, that's the first and number one step. Okay, that's the first step. Have your license renewed if it's expired. If it's not expired, then you don't need to do anything about that. So step 2 is change of name. Also, this is not applicable to everyone. If you know you've changed your name at any point, you know you are married and you know it's something you want to do, you can as well don't bother to change your name. If you have your marriage certificate and your court certificate, that's fine. So if you know that you want to change your name, and if you know that you want to change your name, this will be very useful. So ensure that you do your change of name, and in that you are going to be needing 2 things: newspaper publication and a sworn affidavit. Now, what I want to let you know in this is that whatever process I'm talking about now, I am going to be sharing and also giving in-depth details in my subsequent videos. So do not be afraid. Do not be like, oh, I don't know how to do this, Helen, you're saying this. Don't worry, I'm going to show us step by step, in depth. Where it's needed, I'm going to be showing you live screens on how these things are done. So if you want to see those subsequent videos, please do not forget to like this video, share it, and also subscribe. That's the most important thing. That's it. Then the number 3 step, this is very crucial. Like, if you do not have this, you're not going anywhere. Is your international passport. If you know you do not have your international passport, I want you to make plans to get it as soon as possible. Now, getting your international passport, I'm also going to be talking about it in subsequent videos. So, and what I'm doing in this video right now is just to list the steps on the things you need so that you can become a midwife. So do not worry, do not be bothered. We are going to get in depth into all of these steps subsequently. So the number 4 step now, the 4th step in this my list, is registering with the Nursing and Midwifery Council in the UK. So you have to register with them. Now, also in subsequent videos to come, I'm going to be talking about how much each and every of these steps cost. So do not worry. After this video, you are going to be seeing another video that talks about the cost of every step we're going to talk about here. Registering with the NMC, that's the Nursing and Midwifery Council in the UK, it's an online process. You don't need to phone anyone, you don't need to contact anyone to help you with this. You just to go onto their website and then register. So their checklist of documents that you need to provide, and their amounts that you need to pay. So like I said earlier, in subsequent videos we are going to be talking about those documents that we are supposed to provide and the amount we are going to be paying. Then the number 5 is certificate verification from the NMC. And once you have registered, like when I said registering with the NMC, number 4 point, once you have registered with NMC in number 4, NMC will have to wait for your licensing body, which is in our own case in Nigeria, the NMCN, to send them a verification that, oh, your license is authentic and all that. So you don't need to sit at home. What you do is you have to now contact the NMCN, well, you have to pay some money. Before, you had to go to their offices and all that, to go and be, taking documents from office to office, so you'll be able to do this. But right now, everything is now done online. I think this was the upgrade was done last year. I think it was close to when I was about traveling that this was done. So you have to go to their website also to register for your certificate verification in the NMCN portal. Now the number 6 step is registering without. So the steps I'm going to be talking about now is not like in a chronological manner. You can do one before the other, you get. So some people, they prepare for their IELTS, they write their IELTS before they start their registration with the NMC. But me, what I'm giving you here is everything I did, how I did it, and you can as well do the other ways. There's no one size fits all, you get. So now you have to, the next step, the number 6 step on my list, is you have to register with British Council to write your IELTS. And the type of IELTS you are writing is academic IELTS. Again, in my subsequent videos, we are going to be talking about all of these things in depth. Then the number 7 step is registering with Person View for your CBT exam. So you remember in I think that was in number 4, in number 4 step, I said register with NMC. When you register with NMC and number 5, NMCN has sent your verification, NMC will now get back to you to send you your letter of authorization to write your CBT and your OSCE. And CBT, you can write it in Nigeria, you can write it anywhere, but OSCE, you have to go to the UK to write it. But now, talking about CBT, you have to register in another portal, in another website via the Person View. So we're also going to be talking about every of these things in depth later in this series. So you have to register and prepare to write your CBT. So if you need information on how you can study for this, because I know this is where a lot of people, they have challenges, getting materials to prepare for this midwifery CBT, especially, nurses, they've had they have a lot of materials available to prepare with, but we midwives, we have very limited materials to prepare. So do not worry, do not be afraid. I have done this and I can help with information like that. So after registering with Person View for your CBT, you prepare and then write your CBT. Then the last and not the least step on my list here is applying for jobs in the UK. Like I said earlier, you can do this before you can apply for a job before you write your CBT. You can apply, like a lot of people will tell you, I started applying for my for jobs before I even wrote my IELTS. They got back to me and said, oh, where are you now? Some of these trusts, they are very nice. They will support you, you want to do, they will try and help you. But this is what I did. Application for jobs was the last on my list, and I did that after my CBT. So guys, I want you to subscribe if you have not subscribed, like this video, share this video, because subsequent videos we are going to be talking about this in depth, because I know that we have a lot of people who need this information, and it's a lot of challenge, especially for the midwives, getting things like this. All right, so guys, in my next video I'll be talking about the cost of each and every of this step and the timeline for it. You know, official and timeline is there, and you know, sometimes it might take shorter time, sometimes it might be longer. So I'm going to be telling us in my next video how much these steps, the cost, what you need to put aside, the savings that you need to get into place, because the Bible says for you to build a house you have to count your costs, you know, and things like that. So what we'll do in my next video is to talk about the amounts you are going to be we're going to be spending, and the timeline, how long it also took me. All right guys, thank you for watching my video. See you on the next one. Bye.